Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to ventilate a frontal wig, the pattern to use and the guides to follow when ventilating a frontal wig. If this sounds like what you want to know or what you want to learn, then stay tuned and keep watching. For the whole wigging, I'm going to be using these 4 bundles for the wigging, and I'm going to be using 1 bundle for the ventilation. If any remains, I'm going to add this to the wigging. I'm going to be using 13 by 4 Swiss lace net. So this is how it looks like. Let's begin. For the ventilation, I'm making use of my ventilating pin and I'm doing single knotting in this ventilation, as you can see. And this is the pattern that I'm making use of. This is the pattern that I'm following. Now use the ventilating pin, put it in a hole and pick 2 strands of hair. This is what I'm doing. Pick 2 strands of hair, pull out and tight. This is the pattern that I'm going to be following, and I'm not skipping any line at all. You can either skip just 1 line or you won't skip any line at all. And this is how it looks like. You will find out that I'm ending this ventilation approaching towards the back of the net, and this is the goal of making use of this pattern. The reason why I made use of this pattern is that I don't want any harsh line at the front of this ventilation, and that was the reason why I made it to look like this. Guys, I'm done and this is how it looks like. And also this is how the front looks like. I'll be putting it into a wig form, and I've done it now. I'm going to cut out the cap that covered the net. So guys, this is how everything looks like. This is how the wig came out. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment on what you think about this. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to be part of this family. See you in my next video. Bye.